Hi guys, Lynn Kendeng
Here again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys, ang makeup natin ay inspired from of course a Korean drama, True Beauty. Ang star ng True Beauty guys na si Lim Joo Kwon. So ayan, enjoy watching guys, and of course sana maka-learn kayo ng tricks on how to do this Korean makeup guys. So sana po magustuhan nyo. So keep on watching guys and enjoy! So, yung una natin gagawin guys, of course, skincare natin. So, I'm using Hydra Sparkling Velvet Luminescence Moisturizing Cream. So, this actually has microsphere to control shine. And also hyaluronic acid to retain the moisture in your skin and avoid it from dehydration. So, it has a sparkling water complex that filled your skin with smoothness. And of course, moisturize deeply and reveal the natural glow of your skin. So now I'll be using this Prismy primer to prime my skin. Of course, the primer guys can extend the wear of your makeup, and at the same time, it enhances your complexion. So this one guys has a unique formulation. It actually gives you radiance, make your skin smoother, and hydrate your skin. So I'll just blend it with my beauty blender. So the blue one actually correct the sallowness of your skin. Let's go on the foundation now guys. So I have here the Fenty Beauty, and it's the Pro Filter Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. So it's my first time to use this, and it's still new. So, concealer na tayo guys. I'll be using the Tarte Concealer, the Shape Tape in light medium honey. So, we put under eye, sa nose, and of course here, and sa chin. And then of course, we set our foundation with loose powder. So I use Huda Beauty loose powder to set my foundation. And then magkilay na po tayo. So we go on the kilay na guys. I'll be using this brunette from MAC. So ang kilay po, of course, pag Korean kilay, dapat straight. Overblock kasi ito guys, so medyo mahirap dito mag-drawing. Actually guys, yung Korean drama, tapos yung itong Beauty Secret, hindi naman bagay. Hindi na siya bagay sa akin at my age, pero nakaka-inspire lang kasi yung makeup niya. Tsaka ang super ganda niya. Siyempre, gagamitin ko yung aking magic wand para mas perfect yung shape ng ating kilay. So, ito yung Mr. Light Concealer. Para mas ma-enhance lang natin yung shape ng kilay natin, guys. eyeshadows. So, usually kasi guys, yung colors ng mga Korean drama makeup or yung Korean makeup, diba?
Usually ang color pink, peach, neutral with shimmers.
So, ang gagamitin po natin ay ito. Combine natin with this. Ito na lang yung gagamitin natin here. Super subtle lang talaga sila mag-eyeshadows. Then etong ano ba to? Soleil. Soleil. Gagamitin natin yan sa corner ng ating eyes. Eyeliner tayo on top.
Or we call it tight lining.
And then, extend natin yung white, guys. Kukuha tayo ng isang eyeshadow color from my favorite chocolate. Medyo matte kasi ito, guys. Nawala sa aking Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina. So, dito natin kukunin sa ating Too Faced. So, ito guys, gagamitin ko just to extend yung white dito, guys. Yung light color here sa aking lid.
Instead na concealer, satin finish na eyeshadow yung ginamit natin.
And then, same on the other side. Para medyo naman tayo mayroon ta look up, guys, kasi alam niyo na monolid po tayo. So, para magkaroon tayo ng imaginary deep set eyes. Charot. And then, eyeliner tayo on the corner of our eyes para magmukhang big yung ating eyes.
And there you go. Ibiblend lang natin siya with pencil brush para mas even lang yung application niya.
Gagamitin ko po yung ating highlighter from Tarte Pro Glow. Yung aking favorite. Kasi maganda to eh. Okay.
So, ito yung tinatawag nilang Aegyosal, guys, na eye makeup. So, parang eye roll siya, tapos i-enhance mo siya, lagyan mo ng shimmer, and then draw mo ng dark brown underneath that shimmer, guys. Pero on my part, hindi ko na gagawin. O, diba? Ang laki ng difference, ano? Original eyes ko. Pero magpa-part 2 ako, guys, yung my line underneath nung shimmer.
So, ayan na nga. And, of course, eyeliner on top. So, straight din siya, guys. Actually, hindi ako fan nung, nung straight eyeliner. And then, curl na tayo ng ating lashes. I was thinking kung magfo-falsies ba ako or wag na. So, gagamitin natin, guys, yung ating Phenomen Mascara from Givenchy. So, ang maganda dito, guys, usually, kahit hindi ka na curl ng lashes mo, mag-curl siya through your application. So, ang gagawin mo lang, push up mo lang siya. Ang maganda dito, guys, nagla-last din talaga yung curl niya. Korean. So, there you go guys. Eto na nga, yung next natin yung blush. So, paano ba mag-blush yung mga Korean? So, di ba? Oh my God. I need a mirror. Siyempre. So, gagamitin of course natin ulit etong ang aking favorite. Of course, Vivid Earth from Sephora. So, eto yung gagamitin natin guys. So, dito.
Pwede mo rin siyang i-direkta guys hanggang sa corner ng eyebrow mo or Z-zones yung tawag doon. So pwede din dyan lang.
So next natin guys, contour tayo slight sa ating nose, of course. And of course, I'm using MAC nga pala, MAC foundation, pang contour ko ng ating nose and of course ng ating face guys para hugis-bigas. And of course, dahil yung mga Korean guys mahilig sa skincare, maganda ang kanilang skin, so kailangan maging flashlight din ang ating face.
Charot lang guys, syempre maging luminous yung skin natin.
Of course, here, dagdagan natin, guys. Alright. And then next, yung ating lip. And then, for my lipstick, I'll be using Fever Dream from the Pat McGrath Trio. So this is the color. So Korean guys, so from dark fading outward. So i-blend lang natin ng finger natin. Diba? So, dadagdagan natin yung color inside. Tapos, pwede nyo naman siyang, diba yung excess nyo na loose powder. Galing. So watch out guys at magpapalit lang tayo ng ating dress at aayusin ko lang yung aking hair para kahit paano ay magmukha naman tayo chukong. So pero
Not literally na kamukha. Ginaya lang natin yung makeup niya.
watching guys at sana may nakuha kayong tricks guys. Nakaka-enjoy naman siya guys and of course nagustuhan ko naman yung result niya. So thank you and please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share. And for those who are not yet subscribed, please help me to click the subscribe button below and of course the notification bell guys for you to be updated on my channel's activities. God bless! Mwah! I'm enjoying my look.